Hello YouTube, it's me Unicorn Guy, and here I'm with the HP A13, A16 37C. This is Windows XP I'm trying to install right now. I have not given up on Ubuntu, but I'm just going to try a different way. Instead of using the install disk, I'm going to try to use Wubby, or Windows Ubuntu installer. So hopefully that'll work. Well, I got XP on here finally. I forgot that I have to reinstall the drivers for it though. That shouldn't be too much of a problem. But still, it's not gonna be a fun process. So I'll be back when that happens. So now we are back, and I'm going to install the drivers, well, the absolute necessary drivers that I need for my HP over here. Oh, wait a minute. Something's wrong here. I don't think it... I'm going to continue folder. I don't think... Date modified. I downloaded... Well, yeah, I did actually. Okay, so... I have what I needed. I have what I need. So now I will be able to try to put Wubby, our Windows Ubuntu installer, on this computer, and hopefully get Ubuntu on here, and then get my Siri proxy server working. So now I'm going struggler here, using micro XP. I'm just looking to get out of this as much as I can, because I don't really trust this version of micro XP. So yeah, when I get this all done, I'll be back in a minute. Well, let me turn it off. While I was working on this computer and trying to get all the drivers and stuff installed, am I echoing? Feels like I'm echoing because this house is really quiet. For once, I decided to use a virtual machine, and it's not working. I got past the boot up screen, but I did not even get to the install screen where it goes into the GUI. It went to like some crazy glitch thing, like you would see like an old TV when you didn't plug in the cable right, and then it just went to this. So I'm gonna go ahead and try Wubby and see if that helps. And if it doesn't, I'm going to have to try something else. So I'll be right back. Alright, now I get this. Every time I try to run Ubuntu, Windows Ubuntu installer, I have frankly no idea what this means. Some say it's a virus, some say it's multiple hard disks. I uninstalled that one because I installed that one to try to install Ubuntu on it, but then my computer wasn't having any of it, so yeah, because this started popping up, so I decided to uninstall it, and now it's... So yeah, I have no idea what that is. Maybe because I'm using this pirated version of Windows. What is a PFU? Page file? I'm guessing I'm probably someone's client right now for a DDoS attack or something like that. My luck. Alright. Well, back to drawing board. Wow. The most obvious solution here. Turns out this thing has a multi-card reader in front, and in Windows it shows up as drives, but nothing's in the drives. So Wubby got confused by that, and since there was nothing in the disk drive, it said there was no disk. So absolutely baffled by that. Anywho, let's continue on in our quest for free Siri. Alright, it's almost there, I think. It's extracting. Might be able to hear the hard drive. Oh, wow. Already done. Okay. Well, I have nothing else here, really. Close all this out. Might need this later. Boot now, finish. And let's see. I had a little bit of problem before with this version of Windows XP shutting down. Hopefully it will shut down. Might not. But the problem is I can't, just push the power button, because if I do, then the Ubuntu won't work, because what I've found out before when I was playing with Ubuntu is that when you force shut it down, okay, here it comes. It was just taking a while. If I can get the server working, I can put a repeater router in here, and I can probably get the Siri proxy server working pretty well. So let's try it, Ubuntu. This works. I'll put the other Western Digital caviar in there. Oh no. Shadow passwords are now on. I don't know what that means exactly. We'll find out later. So yeah, I'll put the Western Digital caviar in there. I love caviar drives because one, reliable hard drives, and two, they're noisy. I mean, oh dear. Well, you might not want to have a noisy hard drive. I do, because I just think it's kind of nice, Kind of reminiscent of old computing days. Uh-oh. Looks like we have a little bit of a problem here. Oh. Never mind. Hopefully this will work. I'm gonna turn off the camera, and when I get to an impasse... Oh, cursor. Right, this is way farther than I've gotten before. Sweet. Alright, so now let me type in a password. This background's actually pretty nice. I don't care for these little dots though. Kind of looks like a oh, it went away. Kind of looks like one of those old capacitive touchscreens. Sound works right out of the box. Hooray. You don't know how much of a thrill this is to me. Oh, it's all there. How about my network? Dear, that wasn't good. Was it? What's this black rectangle here for? Anywho, if that black rectangle stays up there forever, I don't care. As long as it works, and I can get Siri working on my iPhone. Well, I'm gonna turn the camera off and play with this for a little while, and I'll come back to it, okay? So you may have noticed I switched cameras, or the video suddenly degraded in quality. That's because I finally got Siri working on my iPhone, but not with the Spire proxy. This was Ubuntu. I have no idea what happened here. It just locked up on me. So I was looking around online, and there is this thing called Sarah, and it's made like by Vietnamese programmers, I think. Pretty sure it said Vietnamese. Anywho, so right now I'm gonna go ahead and try it. Here's my iPhone. I just asked it where the moon was, so give this a shot. Play Judas Priest, Breaking the Law. Well, didn't quite get it right. It says, hold on. It says bleach
How
it.
is that breaking the law, or are you just really into music?
Alright, let's ask another question. Here. What is the time?
(2:42 p.m. CST Sunday, February 26, 2012.
Alright, that looks pretty good. That's promising. Let's see. Search iOS.
Searching a phone for.
Oh, wow, look at this. Programmers need to fix this. Maybe it really should open up Safari. But this is pretty good. I like where it's going right now. Try another something else before I run out of battery here. What is the weather like today?
Please wait, I'm getting today's for.
Alright, well hopefully it gets the forecast before my battery runs out.
Recorded weather for Chicago, Illinois.
Supposed to do something? Oh, crashed. Alright, let's go back in and see what it does. Alright. Well, I can't raise the speed.
Hey Brandon, can I help you?
Alright. Yes, you can.
Thank you.
Alright, let's ask it, what's it wearing? What are you wearing? What are you wearing? Alright, we'll ask it where it lives.
Depends.
Where do you live?
I don't want to tell you where my home is.
Ah, good idea. Alright. Now, last question. Who are your parents?
My parents are your parents.
Oh, great. Well, somebody on here said they got Hovo and Hannah, so I'm not sure what that means. Let's ask it who the developer is on here. Probably give me that. It is Nobita. Who is No Pizza?
Your father.
My father. Excellent. So it's still a little bit buggy, but it's getting there. So yeah, this is Unicorn Guy signing off.